Okay, so now going to connect it. So now this goes to connect here. This goes connect here. Okay. So guys, you can do a circuit anywhere, and a circuit is made the same way with anything. Okay, now I'm gonna connect this and show you. Yeah, now when we switch the wires, it went straight. But now I'm gonna connect with the duct tape, and then I'm gonna use the duct tape and connect this wire because the black wire came off. Well, welcome to Learn and Follow with Scott. Today, we're going to be making a small, simple circuit. You need tape, that's the electrical tape, and this is a pan with a lot of tools. Here are some, I'll show you. Look, they're magnetic, so some of them stick to each other. The magnet sticks and then they can stick to each other like that. And this is called a plier. It's something that you can use to cut wires. Yeah, that's a circuit board, okay? Then these two are wires, red and black. But usually wires are red and blue. And then this is a spring. It's not like this spring. It doesn't stretch up and down. It's just a spring that you can stretch like a wire. And guys, also we don't have a battery case, so we're gonna use this old toy. So first, let's take the battery out. So guys, now we went inside, look. So now guys, I draw the diagram of the circuit, okay? This is the battery case. These are the wires. And then this is the most important part, well not the most important part, but this is the LED, okay? And then here, I'll read these stuff to you. It says the wires connect to the battery. The wires connect to the battery and the light bulb, okay? And then I labeled it, battery case, wires, LED, okay? And now I'm going to show you what's gonna happen if we really do it, okay? Okay, so now going to connect it. So now this goes to connect here. This goes connect here. Okay. Guys, you're gonna cut the wire, okay? Look, just a close up. Okay. A little close up. What's he doing? Okay. Yeah, that wraps around the plastic cover. That's the thing that takes the plastic cover off of it so that you can connect it.
So now we're going to solder this. Okay, LED, you see? We're going to solder the red to the long one and then black to the short one. Okay, so red is what?
The red is the positive.
Yes.
See that smoke? You can't see it, but it's glass clear.
Okay, look. Get a closer.
Yeah, this is how close I can get. Let me twist it, okay. So now I'm connecting it. guys, look at the LED. Look how it worked. Now this is just how we know how this is just how a circuit works. Okay? Look at that. Let's put it under my hands. Oh, that looks dark. Cha-cha. Oh, look. It's because of this. It's coming off. Oh, magic. Yep, it looks kind of like magic. You think it's magic, but it's not. It's not what you think. So guys, you can do a circuit anywhere, and a circuit is made the same way with anything. Okay, now I'm gonna connect this and show you. Okay, look at that. That's how you get a circuit. That's how you do that. So guys, now we're gonna use our circuit skills to make a robot. Okay? We're gonna use this battery pack and this wheel, okay?
And then where's the body of the robot?
And then this is the body of the robot. Here are the eyes. That's his tongue. That's his nose. Okay? And then that's his 3 eyes. My sister says most robot has 2 eyes. So then it's gonna look exactly like that. Okay, guys. So now this is my daddy cutting the chassis. Okay. So guys, look. You see, we use the duct tape, and we use duct tape here to make the back wheel. Now look. You see? That the wheels are spinning around and round. Round and round, round and round. Through the town. So guys, look, we had a headlight on it. Hey guys, check it out, guys. Look, that looks amazing. Say. Yeah, now we'll with the wires and went straight. And now I'm going to connect with the duct tape. And then I'm going to use the duct tape and connect this wire because the left wire came off. And then you put the wire in the motor because they'll be seeing where that it went before. Now look at that. Bye-bye guys, and I'll see you for another video, okay? Please like and subscribe and click that bell button. See you next time. Bye.